First, the building was in breach, right? A part of the building, about a quarter of the building is not on the property that it is supposed to be on. Additionally, not even the entrance to the property is their entrance. It's on somebody else's property. And the stream that was being advertised is not even on the person's property. All right, guys, a little story time. Story time, or even an insight, let's call it that. Recently did a site investigation for a client, right? Our land surveyor went to the property. Our engineer went to the property, and both, went and did their thing. Engineer went to do a structural engineer's report, and our land surveyor went to do a land surveyor's report, right? ID report. Here's the interesting thing about this property. When the client sent us a request to get this done, so they're overseas, they wanted it to be done quick and fast. Quick and fast. They reached out to my team because we always try to get these things done as quickly as possible, so we expedite it. They were able to reach me, follow up with me along the way, and they gave us a deadline, which we met. We ended up meeting the deadline. All right. The interesting thing about this is the client sent a video of somebody actually, advertising the property, or they were doing a walkthrough to tell people about the property. The video is actually on YouTube, right? The property is in Portland. So my team and my team went down and did their thing. The client actually was in dialogue with their bank to actually move forward to purchase this property. And the person happened to reach out to me because they're a part of our YouTube community and they saw us on Instagram. We do videos on a regular basis. When the person was advertising the property, they made mention of a stream being on the property. They made mention of a shop being on the property, and telling people that, hey, once you buy the property, you have a nice stream and you have a shop that you can create a wholesale, etc., etc. Interestingly, when I looked at the video, they turned off the comments, right? They turned off the comments. When my team went there, firstly, my land surveyor went there. Land surveyor surveyed the property. First, the building was in breach, right? A part of the building, about a quarter of the building is not on the property that it is supposed to be on, right? Additionally, not even the entrance to the property is their entrance. It's on somebody else's property. And the stream that was being advertised is not even on the person's property, right? The wholesale that was being advertised is not on the property. The entrance to the property, there is supposed to be a reserved road that was not created. It is non-existent, right? I can't say this enough. There are different processes in place that will protect you as a returning resident. My client was happy to have lost some money, right? They indicated that it's better them lose the little money or them pay our team to go there and do the investigation for them, than they went ahead and purchased the property and ended up finding all these things on the back burner. The bank told them that they weren't able to get a mortgage with such a property, right? Imagine if it was a scenario which I see a lot of returning residents are in, right? Imagine the scenario where him did have the money, like him having money saved up and him decides I'm gonna buy the property, and him never come to us to actually do that investigation for that property. He would be in a bad position after. after purchasing and finding out down the road that, hey, you don't even have an entrance to go to your property. It's not on your property, right? So I say that to say this: when you are purchasing properties and you're overseas, it's important. Make sure you have your land surveyor go and do a land surveyor's ID report to find out if the property is in breach, if what is on ground is actually a part of your property. On the flip side, the engineer went there and there were a lot of cracks in the structure, right? A lot of failure going on or taking place with that property. So get your engineer to inspect the property to find out if the building is actually structurally sound, or if when you purchase, you're going to be in a position where you're now going to have to go through and strengthen your building or do some remedial work to make sure that that building is structurally sound, right? So I hope this reached the right ears before somebody go and just jump and purchase this property, because to fix such a problem for that property is going to cost a pretty penny, and they're going to have to knock off a quarter of the building that is being sold to them for a price, right? They're going to have to knock off that to then build what is acceptable. All right, so it's very important. Keep your eyes open, be vigilant, do your necessaries. It's okay to lose 100,000, 200,000 to find out that, hey, a property is not in a good condition, is not in a good position, or how do I put this? To find out that a property is in breach and that it would be a bad investment than to purchase a property for millions of dollars only to find out that your property is in breach and you're now going to have to demolish a section, or you're going to have to create a road to actually go on the property because you don't have a road. You don't have an entrance to your property, right? So it's Friday. I hope this message reached the right ears, right? Our team is here to support you. If it is that you're purchasing property, reach out to our team. We're here to support you as a returning resident. If you're purchasing the property, if you're looking to design and build and actually select your contractor and execute your project, we are here to help you as much as we can. And it starts with you to actually see it as valuable to get this information. All right, I hope it reached the right ears. Peace out. See you next time. All right.
Are you worried about purchasing property in Jamaica that's not suitable for construction? Contact AJAWI Limited for a drone survey and site investigation.